I'm Scott Margolin, Vice President of Technical here at Tyndale, and welcome to our new series, The Spin Cycle. In today's episode, we're going to turn our focus to flame-resistant durability. This garment has been through 100 laundering cycles. Now, maybe the most common spin in rental uniform sales tactics is the idea that you simply can't launder arc-rated and flame-resistant apparel at home because you'll wash the FR out and you need professional laundering. That's simply not accurate, and it hasn't been true since prior to 1987. That's a long time ago. And just like the cell phone that I pull out of my pocket today bears no resemblance whatsoever to the cell phone that we all owned 20 or 30 years ago, in the same way, technology for arc-rated and flame-resistant apparel has moved forward enormously in that intervening time, and flame-resistant durability, at least for the quality products, is a given and has been for a very long time. So let's take a look. Let's start by taking a look at our control garment, which in this case is a new arc-rated garment. Here comes our arc, and you can see again as the arc dissipates, the garment's done what you expected to do. There's no afterflame, there's no hole, it hasn't shrunk, it's intact, and it's protected the wearer. Now let's look at the performance of the exact same garment after 100 launderings. Here's our arc, and as you can see the smoke clearing, there is again no afterflame, no hole, no shrinkage. The garment has done its job. It looks just like the control. Let's look at it again close up. Get an even better look at how the garment performed despite being 100 launderings through its life cycle. We use the slow motion to look at any after effect whatsoever, down even on the fractions of a second level, as a result of being 100 launderings into its life. You can see the arc extinguishes. There is no afterflame of any kind, not even for a fraction of a second. Let's look at them again side by side to get an apples to apples comparison here. And again, there is no visible difference between these two garments. Despite the garment on the right having gone through 100 laundering cycles, it forms exactly like a new garment. So as you can see, even 100 launderings had no effect whatsoever on either the flame-resistant durability or the arc flash protection of these garments. The truth is that garments are not removed from service due to flame-resistant durability concerns. Garments are almost always removed from service because they're simply too mechanically worn out to continue in service as a garment. It's not the flame resistance, it's the mechanical integrity of the garment itself. Thank you.